In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can put text side by side in Google Docs. So basically, first things first, you want to head over to the document right here that you want to edit. In my case, I'm going to be editing this one. And basically right after that, you then want to highlight the part that you want to edit, click on format, and from here you then want to look for columns. And here we have multiple options like the selected preset, we have the split, which is side by side like we wanted, and for the last one we then have the three parts of the same sentence. So in our case, we are going to select the middle one, which basically splits the text side by side. If this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.